Do you want to make $1 million in 2025 but feel held back by a tight budget? Let me show you how to start with less than $100. With the economy changing fast, $1 million goal might seem out of reach, especially if you're starting from scratch. But the reality is, there are paths to wealth that require very little upfront investment, ways that can help you build real income from the ground up. Today, I'm going to reveal 9 powerful, low-cost business ideas that anyone can start. Stick around because I'm saving the best, most lucrative options for the end. Introduction. Imagine having a profitable business without needing thousands of dollars to get started. That's exactly what we're covering here. A countdown of the top 10 businesses you can launch with almost nothing. I've ranked them by ease, potential earnings, and scalability, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to start. Plus, I'll share stories from real people who turned these ideas into million-dollar successes, proving that these methods really work. So let's dive into the list. Microgreens business. Alright, let's kick things off with a business that's fresh and literally green, growing and selling microgreens. Microgreens are small, nutrient-packed greens that are super popular in restaurants and cafes for adding flavor and nutrition to dishes. Here's the opportunity. Supermarkets often lack locally grown, fresh microgreens, so local chefs and restaurant owners are willing to pay a premium for them. And this business doesn't need a big investment. For under $100, you can get started with some plastic trays, seeds like sunflower or pea, and a little natural sunlight. In just 7 to 10 days, you'll have a harvest ready to sell. Take it from Donnie Greens, who went from a job he hated to making $3,000 a week growing microgreens in a small room. Once you start building a customer base, it even becomes a semi-passive income source with just a few hours of work each day. Pressure washing business. Next up, we have a business with surprising earning potential, the pressure washing business. Every neighborhood has homes with moldy walls, dusty patios, and grime-covered driveways, but most homeowners don't have the equipment or time to clean them. This is where you come in. Starting a pressure washing business doesn't require much. With just $100, you can buy a used pressure washer from a site like Facebook Marketplace. To get started, offer a few discounted jobs to neighbors, build up some experience, and soon, you'll be able to charge competitive rates. Just ask Chase, an 18-year-old who scaled his business to over $150,000 a year in less than 2 years. This is a great option if you're looking to earn quickly and grow with minimal investment. Faceless YouTube channel. Now, let's talk about a business that lets you earn big from anywhere with just a laptop. Starting a faceless YouTube channel. With advancements in AI and content creation tools, running a YouTube channel without showing your face is now easier and more profitable than ever. This strategy involves creating engaging videos on high-demand topics while staying behind the scenes. For example, Noah Morris built multiple faceless channels, which now generate over $2 million a year. To start, you'll need to spend some time learning the basics of scripting, editing, and finding a niche with potential. The best part? You can begin with $0 if you're willing to do the initial work yourself, and then, once your channel is monetized, you can scale by hiring freelancers. This is a solid path for those who dream of passive income and flexibility. Email list. Business email lists are one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to build $1 million business. With just an email account and a niche you're passionate about, you can turn daily emails into steady, substantial income. The magic lies in creating value that people want to keep receiving, whether it's expert tips, insider knowledge, or advice on a specific topic. Take Justin Goff, for instance. By focusing on copywriting tips, he built an email list that now earns him around $60,000 per month, working just a few hours a day. To start, you can create a free account on platforms like MailChimp, start sharing valuable content on social media, and invite followers to sign up. Over time, as your list grows, you can monetize by creating helpful products or services that solve your audience's needs. And best of all, this business model costs virtually nothing to set up. Digital products. Business selling digital products is one of the most profitable and low-risk business models out there. Unlike physical products, digital products like ebooks, online courses, or templates have minimal overhead and can be sold repeatedly without extra cost. For example, creators who develop valuable content in high-interest areas, like fitness, pay. Copywriting business copywriting, the art of persuasive writing for businesses, is a high-demand skill that can generate substantial income without any upfront costs. From sales pages to email marketing campaigns, effective copywriting helps businesses drive sales, making skilled copywriters valuable assets. Take Nick Verge, for instance. He transformed his door-to-door sales experience into a thriving copywriting business, eventually earning over $40,000 a month by writing for major clients. To get started, read up on the basics of copywriting, practice by creating sample pieces, and reach out to small businesses offering to help with their content in exchange for testimonials. As your portfolio and expertise grow, so do your rates. Top copywriters often charge thousands per project. This is a flexible, profitable business for anyone with a knack for writing and communication. Video editing business. Video editing has become a highly sought-after skill with the explosive growth of video content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Businesses, influencers, and content creators are constantly looking for editors to help them produce high-quality videos to engage their audiences. One success story is Scott Parker, who turned his video editing skills into a $600,000 per year business by creating short animated videos for software companies. To get started, learn basic editing techniques through free resources on YouTube, build a portfolio by offering your services at a discounted rate or even for free, and gather client testimonials. As demand grows, you can scale by hiring additional editors, creating a production team that allows you to take on more clients and larger projects. This pathway lets you turn a single skill into a profitable, scalable business. Personal branding agency. As more celebrities, athletes, and public figures realize the power of social media, personal branding has become a major opportunity for those skilled in online marketing. A personal branding agency helps clients grow their online presence across platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, turning their followers into loyal fans and increasing their influence. With many high-profile clients recognizing the need for a strong personal brand, agencies can command impressive fees. For example, Cristiano Ronaldo's recent push into social media has opened the door for more athletes and celebrities to enhance their digital presence. To start, pick one platform to specialize in, study successful growth strategies, and offer free services initially to gather testimonials. With some experience and proven results, you can begin charging significant monthly retainers. This business has enormous potential for growth as demand for personal branding continues to rise. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing stands as one of the best business models to generate substantial income with minimal upfront costs. The concept is simple. You promote other companies' products and earn a commission on each sale made through your unique link. This business is highly scalable, flexible, and requires little more than a passion for a particular niche and a strategy to attract an audience. One student example, Caleb, earned over $188,000 in a single month using a streamlined approach that doesn't rely on a large following or showing his face on camera. To get started, choose a niche you're genuinely interested in, whether that's fitness, technology, or personal finance. Create valuable content on social media platforms like TikTok or YouTube, and incorporate affiliate links in your posts or video descriptions. This low-cost business model allows for fast entry and can be grown by diversifying your content and affiliate partnerships. With dedication, affiliate marketing can become a significant income stream and, for many, a million-dollar opportunity. Conclusion. If one of these business ideas got you excited, drop a comment below and let us know which one you're most interested in starting. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to see more videos like this, packed with strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching.